Good morning, students. Today we read a story from English Reader book. The name of story is Pippo Learns a Lesson. Pippo learns a lesson. Here in this picture we can see a boy and a girl. It means the name of that boy is Pippo and she is his sister. That boy is holding a lizard in his hand. He always played tricks on others. It means he always tease others, okay, by playing unkind tricks. So here in this picture he is holding a lizard. So let's see what he did with this lizard. Okay, words to know: naughty, yelled, woods, dinosaurs, frightened, tasty. Pippo was a naughty boy. Pippo was a naughty boy. He always played tricks on others. He always played tricks on others. One day, when he was playing in the woods, he found many lizards. He found many lizards. Okay. So here, if someone asks you who was Pippo, then Pippo was a naughty boy. Hello, little lizard, said Pippo. He picked up the biggest lizard. He picked up the biggest lizard. It wriggled in fright, but he did not let it go. Pippo put the lizard in his school bag. Pippo put the lizard in his school bag. Okay, here I can scare my sister with this, he said to himself. He said to himself. Pippo put that lizard in his school bag and said to himself that I can scare with this my sister. Here she is his sister. Okay. Pippo's sister was lying on the grass reading a book. Pippo went quietly near her. Here in this picture we can see Pippo's sister was lying on the grass. She is reading a book and that Pippo went quietly near her. Look out, he yelled suddenly and dropped the lizard on his sister. At first she was scared, then she was angry at Pippo's unkind trick. You mean thing, she cried. She said this and she started cried. Who started cry? Pippo's sister. Pippo ran off into the woods. Pippo ran for a long time laughing to himself. Pippo was laughing that he played that tricks on his sister and she made her scared. That was fun, he thought. Finally he stopped running. He stopped running and lay down on the grass. He closed his eyes and soon fell asleep. Suddenly Pippo felt the earth shaking and he woke up with a start. He saw an amazing sight. There were several volcanoes around him. Flames and smokes were coming out of them. Lots of huge dinosaurs were around him. Pippo was very frightened. A bird-like dinosaur looked at him from the sky. When Pippo slipped there, then he felt that earth was shaking and there were several volcanoes around him. Flames and smokes were coming out of that volcanoes and lots of huge dinosaurs were also there, were around him. People was very frightened. A bird-like dinosaur looked at him from the sky. Looked at him. Here, Pippo. Looked at Pippo from the sky. That's look tasty, it cried. It then grabbed Pippo in its beak and flew up high in the sky again. He yelled, Pippo, I am going to be eaten alive. This line said by dinosaur to Pippo. Then luckily Pippo fell out of the dinosaur's beak into the sea. Luckily, Pippo fell out of the dinosaur's beak into the sea. What an escape, thought Pippo, but the sea was also full of scary dinosaurs. Pippo saw a few dinosaurs with sharp teeth swimming towards him. Here, help! Here, look at this picture. Here, few dinosaurs are here. Okay, and this one. Let's see who is it? Is it dinosaur or Tyrannosaurus? Here. Help! I am going to die, thought Pippo. But then something pulled him out of the sea. When Pippo fell out of the dinosaur's beak, he fell into the where? Fell into the sea. Then something pulled him out of the sea. A Tyrannosaurus with even bigger teeth and really mean eyes took Pippo in its claws. I can scare my sister with this, it said. Pippo felt strange when he heard this. When Pippo heard this, that I can scare with my sister. Pippo felt strange. Haven't I heard those words somewhere before? He said to himself. I heard those words somewhere before, he thought. The Tyrannosaurus picked Pippo up by his hair and held him over its sister. You mean thing, she said. The voice sounded familiar. Pippo opened his eyes and found his sister pulling his hair. Here, phew, what a frightening dream, said Pippo. He opened his back and set the lizard free. Sorry, lizard, he said. Now I know how scared you feel. I will be kinder to animals from now on. Then Pippo hugged his sister and said, Sorry, I won't do that again. It was a mean thing to do. And from then on, Pippo and his sister always played happily together. From that day, Pippo will be kinder to the animals. Okay, then Pippo and his sister always plays together, always played happily together. Here this story is completed. Now underline some hard words. First one is naughty. Second one is tricks. Then third one is wriggled. Come to next page here. Fourth page is yelled. Then amazing here. Amazing. Volcanoes. Frightened. Grabbed. swimming, suddenly, here Tyrannosaurus, familiar. Listen, these are your hard words. You have to write these hard words in your English 2 notebook. Now here I am going to give you some word meanings. Here I am going to give you some word meanings. Note down in your book, and after that you have to note down in your English 2 notebook. Here, look here. Here is yelled. Yelled means what? Shouted. Yelled means shouted. 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 Then here, frightened. Frightened. Here, frightened means what? Afraid. Frightened means afraid. AFARID. Afraid. Then here, dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are here. So here you write a large animal. A very large animal. A very large animal. Animals. Then here come to this word wriggled. Wriggled means moved. Wriggled means moved. This one. Then next word is amazing. Amazing. Here, amazing. Here amazing means surprising. Here I am going to write. Then here scared. That word scared is here. That word scared means filled with fear. Filled with fear. These are your word meanings. These also you have to write in your English notebook, English 2 notebook. Now come to question answers. Here, who was Pippo? Why did he need to learn a lesson? Who was a Pippo? Why did he need to learn a lesson? So here, Pippo was a naughty boy. He always played. Pippo was a naughty boy. Okay. He needed to learn a lesson because he always played tricks on others. Who was Pippo? Why did he need to learn a lesson? Here, listen carefully. Here, Pippo was a naughty boy. He needed to learn a lesson because he played unkind tricks. This one number. Now second, what did Pippo do to his sister? What did Pippo do to his sister? Here, second number question. Pippo dropped a lizard on his sister. Pippo dropped a lizard on his sister. Now here, third number. What did Pippo see when he woke up? What did Pippo see when he woke up? When Pippo woke up, he saw an amazing sight of volcanoes with flames and smokes. Again, I am going to repeat. When Pippo woke up, he saw an amazing sight of volcanoes with flames and smokes. And here, fifth number question. What did Pippo do first when he realized how cruel he had been? So here, Peepo, what did Peepo do first? The first thing that Peepo did was to open his bag and set the lizard free. The first thing that Peepo did was to open his bags and set the lizards free. This is the answer of 5th number question. Now turn your page. Here is true false. Say whether these sentences are true or false. Peepo was always a gentle and kind boy. False. Peepo had a sister whom he enjoyed scaring. True. A Tyrannosaurus thought Peepo would be a tasty snack. No. False. Peepo freed the lizard in his bag after he dreamed of being eaten by a dinosaur. True. Now here some unscrambled letters are here. Okay. So the first letter of each word, unscramble the letters to find words from the story. The first letter of each word is in color. Discuss the meaning of these words in class. Here trick. First one is trick. Second one is lizard. Third one is regaled. Fourth one is amazing. Fifth, volcano. Sixth, scape. Seventh, fires. And eighth, familiar. Here we add y or ly. Here I think you can solve this question yourself. It is very easy. Grass plus y, grassy. Angry plus ly, angrily. Okay, this one you have to do yourself. Thank you.